Hello everyone and welcome. Usually I'm going to walk you through how to use light theme on your projects browser. Now let's say you want to use the light theme. Now there are two ways you can use the classic light theme, or you can actually use a normal light theme. And what I mean by this, from the home page here, I'm using the dark theme right now. So you click on this gear icon. In case you don't see this gear icon by the left sidebar, what you do is I click on the three dots at the bottom here, and then make sure the settings is turned on over here. And once it is marked, it will appear here. Then click on the gear icon, and then you scroll down to themes. You can see the themes here. And now we have the classic theme here. Click on theme gallery. You see we have the classic, which has all modes. All modes mean it has the light mode, it has the dark mode. So choose the one you want. Now you can use it to here to the classic mode, or if you want only light mode. So when you click on the theme gallery, you can see this one. Midsummer is the light mode totally. It's also light mode. So you can choose between pastel, active, saturated, or calm. So it depends on you. And then you can leave the wallpaper animated. Under Midsummer we have browser sound, keyboard sound, background sound. You can put them and leave them animated. It's only available in light mode. So those are the two ways you can use the light mode on our project. So hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.